And that was my first disappointment of the day. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. I'm here at Epcot trying out Disney Genie Plus for the first time. Is it worth it? What can we do? How do we manage it with a dining reservation? I will tell you the honest truth and my opinions about Genie Plus, and I can tell you already, I have some thoughts. Let's go do this. So if you get Disney Genie Plus, it's $15 per person per day. Our day started out at 7 a.m. waking up to try to get our reservation. And to my surprise, I learned that I cannot purchase an individual lightning lane if I'm not staying on Disney property. Now, I did not know this when purchasing Genie Plus in advance. I purchased it in advance. You might not need to. If you wake up and the parks are empty, don't purchase Genie Plus. And that was my first disappointment of the day. I honestly purchased Genie Plus in order to get on Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, and by 7:06, it was completely sold out for the day. I didn't even get an opportunity to try to get one. It says it opens to park guests, regular park guests not staying at a hotel at 10 a.m., but they were all gone by then. Now for me, it's not really the end of the world because I know I'll be back here in Disney, but I really feel for the people that come here and spend their hard-earned money and they can't even get some of the rides that they want. I don't know, that just kind of added salt in the wound today because I really wanted to get a Space 220 reservation, and I tried for months and I couldn't get one. That's why we're kind of hanging out in front of Mission Space to try to get one. So we'll see. If you guys see a Space 220 video, you'll know I got one, but I just kind of wanted to explain that. It is now 10:50 in the morning. The park opened to non-resort guests at 10. We got on Soarin. We kind of rope dropped Soarin. It was like 10-15 minutes, not bad at all. But our time for test track is 11:40. So now we kind of have until 11:40 before we can even book another lightning lane, which I'll let you know my thoughts at the end of this. But right now, I'm not having it. Guys, the day is looking up. I got a Space 220 reservation for 5:30. They had so many available, seemed like, which is weird because I've been trying for like 5 months to get a reservation and there was absolutely none. So we're gonna do that, but it's looking up. Now we're waiting for test track. All right, it's gonna be a good day. Of course, the ride is in delay, and this is a lightning lane line to begin with. It looks extremely long. So even though it's 11:40, I think we're just gonna wait a little bit. We have until 12:40 to go back on test track, but yeah, so Genie Plus, you're killing me. It's currently Festival of the Arts, and here is some of the chalk art. This is amazing. I was so excited to see this. How is that chalk? Like, how can somebody draw that? I don't know. Oh, monorail. Nice. Like, look, this is so cool. While we wait for test track to get back up and running, it's so nice just to look around at these 50th statues. This is probably one of my favorites, Rocket and Groot. It's 12:13, lightning lane, let's do this. So we scanned in at front and we're also scanning in here again too. All right, we're getting ready to design our car. Oh. Optimize. They fixed it for you. All right, here's our car, we're moving on. It's 12:23.
How your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Ah! Woo!
We failed.
That was fast!
We didn't get...
It is 12:40 and we are getting off the ride. Took 27 minutes from an hour wait, so. Okay, we got off test track. It is 12:47. 12:47, we got a 12:50 lightning lane for Spaceship Earth. Pretty much every other ride at Epcot now besides Test Track, Soarin', and of course the individual attraction selections are going to be like that. You know, you go up to it and you want it just because the rides aren't as popular. So let's do Spaceship Earth. It's time for Spaceship Earth. It's 12:51. That was a straight up walk on, and now we're about to thank the Phoenicians. We got off Spaceship Earth, and look at our friends! Hi, Goofy! So good to see you! And we got Pluto, the goat. We ran into some friends. I'm so happy that you guys are like my first friends that I met in real life in the park. So this is so exciting.
She's got no friends.
I know, just you guys, that's it. And Joey. Mousespiration, subscribe to them on YouTube, please. They are amazing. They go live, they do vlogs. Great content overall. Thank you guys so much for being my friends.
And now we have friends.
And here is Remy's Ratatouille Adventure that we, of course, did not get the lightning lane for. You guys, if you watch the beginning of this video, you know I'm a little salty, but so cute. It's a 70-minute wait right now. But I wanted to show you guys something cool. It's a little Easter egg here. These bottles, 2007, see all the years. 2007 is the year that Ratatouille came out. 2014 is the year that the Remy's Ratatouille Adventure ride opened in Paris. And 2021 is when Remy's Ratatouille Adventure opened right here in Orlando, Florida. For some reason, the Three Caballeros isn't even offering a lightning lane option, but it's a posted 10-minute wait time, so we're gonna head on anyway. Alright, we just got done with dinner, and now we have a return time for Frozen with our Genie Plus, which, here's the thing about Genie Plus with me. My feelings change so quick about what I want to do and when I want to do it. Like right now, I'm not in the mood to go on Frozen, but this morning I was like, oh yeah, like right now I just want to sit in front of Spaceship Earth and watch it, but you know what it is, what it is. We purchased, this was extra money, it was $11 each per person, so we are going to go to Frozen. The time is 7:27 and we are heading on the lightning lane for Frozen. The posted wait time, regular standby, is 60 minutes, so let's see how long it takes. It is 7:31 and we are the next boat on. Well, that is genuinely a walk-on rather than 60 minutes, which is just insane. I have to say this is worth it, especially if you have little ones who like Frozen and maybe don't like to wait that long. This was amazing. All right, everyone, that concludes our day using Disney Genie Plus here at Epcot. My final thoughts, is it worth it at Epcot? You know, probably not. In my opinion, the one ride you could use it for is probably Test Track, but it's really not that bad to wait about 65 minutes for Test Track if that's the only long wait of the day. All the other rides that we didn't even get to go on, but Living with the Land, Figment, Finding Nemo, those were all 5 minutes. Just walk-ons anyway, even without the lightning lane, but you could do the lightning lane for those if you wanted to. But anyway, yeah, the worst part about Genie Plus is that we could not get Remy's. That really disappointed me, and it was a little disheartening this morning finding out that just because we didn't stay on property, we couldn't get that lightning lane for Remy's. So yeah, take that as you will, and let me know in the comments if you've ever used Genie Plus and your experience with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right down below. Stay tuned for more fun here on the Krystal Palace. Peace. Honestly, a mood after a day of Genie Plus.